Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. Today we have another simple paper craft showing you how to make delicious American Girl doll brownies. We also make a matching brownie tray using the materials and methods in our previous DIY baking pans tutorial. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. This quick craft is the perfect way to stock your doll's kitchen or bakery. So, let's get making! Here we have an AG brownie from our collection for a size guide. It's 3 cm square and is about 1 cm thick. On close inspection, the sides are textured with deep grooves, while the top and bottom have smaller, more condensed dot impressions. Off camera, we made a square baking pan from recycled paperboard and painted it silver. Click the card top right to see how to make trays in our DIY baking pan video. Now let's fill it. Start by cutting brown cardstock into 3 cm wide strips, then cut the strips into 3 cm squares. You need 40 squares per brownie. Stack and glue the squares together, being generous with your adhesive. Pinch the paper stack as you go to compress all the layers and keep the sides even. To achieve deep texturing, paint a little water over the sides of your brownie to soften the paper fibres. With a dotting tool or something similar, scratch and swirl the paper to create the initial fluffy cake texture. Now wet the paper again with just a little more water, then take the blunt end of a paintbrush to make divots. Place them randomly for a more realistic look, then repeat on the other sides. While the paper is still soft, gently rock the brownie on your work surface to round the corners. Next, mist the bottom of your paper stack with water, then make lots of little dots using the dotting tool. Flip over and texture the top of the brownie using a swirling motion to draw small loop shapes. Set the brownie aside while the paper dries out and hardens again. For a deep chocolate colour, we chose to paint our brownies with burnt umber. This Pro Paint brand of acrylic paint also has a glossy finish. Off screen, we made 3 more brownies to complete the set. To mimic powdered sugar, dilute white paint with water, but try not to make it too runny. Using a stiff bristled brush, flick the white paint over your brownie. Hold the brush further away for the big drops, and as the product is flicked off, bring the brush closer to make smaller dots. Once the white paint has dried, your brownies are ready for the dolls to serve, sell, or eat. We hope you've enjoyed this quick food craft, and see you back soon for more miniature crafting fun.